Alright, so I did not get to code this morning, so I'll be coding now. It's about 9:15 at night. Just cracked open a Red Bull. Probably a bad idea. No, definitely a bad idea. So this lesson I'm actually really looking forward to. It looks like it is receiving input from the command line or whatever, but I've been looking forward to being able to interact with something more interactive in coding. I don't know. And I know this is very, very, very simple, but it's a step in the right direction. So it says now it's time to pick up the pace. What we want to do now is get data into our programs. It's a little tricky because you have to learn how to do two things that may not make sense right away. Okay, most of what software does is the following: takes some kind of input from the person, changes it, and prints out something new. So far we've been printing strings, now I get the input. Sorry, so I'm just going to go ahead and start typing this. Print how old are you? I tried to do this earlier at work, but for whatever reason, I'm using Python 2.7 at work, and this would not work, so I don't know. It didn't like the equal sign after end. I kept getting the syntax error. So it must be something in the differences of the versions. How are you? And equals. So I forgot to put this. Wait. Some inputs. Alright. Age. I make sure I spell these right. Wait. My string print statements inputs are good, and this probably doesn't matter. Alright, so that's all good. All right, so warning, we put end equals whatever at the end of each print line. This tells print not to end the line with a new line character and go to the next line. Alright, so we're going to run this real quick. CD disk. CD. CD. Hard way. Alright, we have Python exercise 11 dot. How old are you? I am 31. Interesting. How tall are you? 6 feet. How much do you weigh? 230. Pounds. So you're 31 years old, 6 feet tall, 230 pounds. Cool. Alright, so the study drills, go online and find out what Python's input does. Can you find other ways to use it? Try some of the samples you find. Write another form and ask some other questions. Alright. Let's do this here. Python input from user. Alright, so move this over here. Oh, there's W3 schools. I like W3 schools. Ah, no wonder I couldn't use it at work. Raw underscore input. One example is ask for username, and when you enter the username, it gets printed on the screen. Username equals input. Enter username. Alright. Python stops executing when it comes to the input function. Alright, so we're going to try it this way. Let's see how this works. So username equals input username. And then we'll have to print your user is no. We could do it with an X string. What if you just did it like this? What is username? Does this work? Oh, cool. That worked. So I could have done that this way. I also could have done, let's do another one called password equals input. And it's going to say, please enter, oops, could be string. Please enter your word. And you're going to print F, we'll call it X. Now I have your password. Alright, so what happens here? How old are you? I am 31. How tall are you? 6 feet. So you weigh 130, 230. Enter username Banjo Dog. Banjo Dog. Good boys for life. Thanks. Now I have your your password password. Alright, well, that's kind of cool. Write another form like this and ask some other questions. Alright. So something I want to do for work. So let's do, I kind of like, which one do I like? I like the top one. Print. Good morning. How are you today? Comma and equals mood equals good equals input. Wonderful. What is class day are you on? And all right. See if this is going to run. Unexpected EOF while parsing. Again, I am 31. 6 feet. OCUA 230. Banjo, your username. Good boy. Thanks, now your password. Good morning, how are you today? Good. Wonderful. I am on day 43. We're going to move it around deck 43, I think I will. Alright, that's kind of cool. How do I get a number from someone so I can do math? But try x equals. Alright, so that's going to be it. That was fun. This is the stuff that I've been wanting to learn. It's going to help me in a little script thing I want to do for work that'll help me stay more organized, and it's going to be pretty cool. So, yeah, that's it.